Hey beauties! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going for a fresh, glowing, and totally natural look with the. This is all about enhancing your natural beauty while keeping that fresh and dewy glow. Whether you're heading out for the day or just want to feel more confident in your skin, this look will leave you looking radiant without the heavy layers. Let's dive in! Before we start, it's super important to prep your skin. A fresh base is key to achieving that natural glow. Start with a hydrating cleanser, followed by a light moisturizer and SPF. Trust me, skincare is the foundation of any makeup look, so take your time with this step. Now that our skin is prepped and hydrated, let's move on to the base. For a no makeup look, we want something light and breathable. I'm using a tinted moisturizer today for that natural glow. It'll even out my skin tone without feeling heavy. As you apply, use your fingers or a beauty sponge for a seamless blend. This helps it melt into your skin, giving you a flawless finish without looking cakey. Remember, less is more with this look. Next, we're going to brighten up those under-eye circles with a creamy concealer. I'm using a shade that's just a little lighter than my skin tone to give a fresh, awake look. Tap it in gently with your ring finger to blend it out. This way, you won't disrupt the natural finish we've created. Let's add a pop of color to the cheeks. Cream blush is perfect for this look because it blends seamlessly into the skin, creating a natural flush. I'm applying it to the apples of my cheeks and blending it up toward my temples for a lifted effect. Next up, highlighter. A light, creamy highlighter will bring the glow without being too obvious. Apply it to the high points of your face, cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and a little on your Cupid's bow for that lit from within look. Alright, moving on to the brows. Keep it simple with a clear brow gel or a light brow pencil. Fill in any sparse areas, but make sure to keep the brows soft and natural. We want them to look polished but not overdone. For the eyes, we're keeping it super light. A coat of clear mascara will lift your lashes without any clumping. If you want a little more definition, you can also use a brown mascara for a more subtle effect. Lastly, for the lips, I'm going for a tinted lip balm. It adds just the right amount of color while keeping your lips soft and hydrated. It's the perfect finishing touch for this fresh, no makeup look. And there you have it. A glowing, fresh, and natural look that feels just like your skin, but a little more polished. This no makeup look is perfect for everyday wear, especially when you want to embrace your natural beauty and feel confident. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more beauty tips and tricks. And if you try out this look, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Stay glowing and confident, and I'll see you next time.